Hi there, my name is Nick and welcome to Posture Fix. What we're going to do today is we're going to run through an adjustment. I'm going to be assessing over the spine, looking for areas of restricted movement where there's interference in our nervous system between our brain and coming through to our body. So come on through. Evie, to get started today, if you can lie down here onto your stomach with your face in the middle over here, and you can put your arms onto the side. All right. So with this adjustment, I'm going to be assessing over your whole spine from your neck all the way down to your pelvis region. Okay. To get started, I'm going to be checking down by your feet as well. Okay. So I'm going to bend your legs up and down. And when I'm doing this movement, it's also giving me an indication as to what could be possibly happening into Evie's pelvis there. So palpating and feeling here, I can feel the areas that are not functioning, and these are what we're going to be correcting. Wonderful. Evie, I'm going to check down by your feet again. I'm going to bend your legs up and down and check for the difference since the beginning. Great, super. Evie, the next part of the examination, I'm going to ask you if you can turn your neck to the left and to the right, and this is also going to give us further indication as to what could be possibly going on in Evie's neck there. So if you look to the left-hand side there, please turn your neck to the left. You can turn your neck to the right-hand side there, please. And just look back to the middle there, please. Now, looking across here, I have an indication as to where we need to correct. And feeling through here, I can feel this is a restricted segment that needs to be corrected. So Evie, when we're doing the adjustment, you might hear or feel a small click. Wonderful. Okay, and we assess. Evie, if you turn your neck to the left-hand side there, so if you look to the right-hand side there, and back to the middle there. Wonderful. Okay, now that we've checked over the neck and the pelvis, we're going to be looking into and inspecting other areas of the spine. So starting into the lower back region. Okay. So Evie, for this next adjustment, I'm going to need you to lie on your left-hand side, looking towards this side of the bed. Okay, I'm going to lift the headpiece up. Okay, so I'm going to help put you into a more comfortable position now. So we're going to keep the bottom leg nice and straight. I'm going to bend through the top leg here. And just help move your pelvis into a more comfortable position there. I'm going to pull this arm gently underneath, and if you can put your hand just like that. Now what I'm going to be doing here, we're going to be moving quite close to the edge of the bed. I want you to know I've got you, and I'm going to be bracing you and holding you the whole time, okay? Evie, if you can come back onto your stomach again there, please. I'm just going to have a look over and assess where I've just done the adjustment now. Fantastic. And again, we come back to the base of our feet. Okay. Great. So the only area that I need to still check over in her spine is looking into her middle back region. Okay. So Evie, for this adjustment, if you can come onto your back, please. Yeah. And if you don't mind just coming a little bit lower down the bed. Wonderful, that's super. So what we're going to do, if you can just cross your arms over your chest, we can get this arm under the other one. Okay, and I'm going to get my hand underneath over here, and I'm going to be pushing gently onto your arms, okay? Okay, take a nice deep breath all the way in here, and breathe all the way out. Okay, if you can just relax into your arms. So we've covered through and gone through across her whole neck region, looking into that middle back region, her lower back and her pelvis. So what we're going to do after the adjustment is we assess into her range of movement and how well her body is functioning afterwards. So Evie, if you can come on up there and you just swing your legs over onto the other side here. Okay. Just if we can move your head to the side. Okay, so just take a nice deep breath in there. Look down to the ground and all the way up to the roof. Great. And back to the middle. If you look to your left side here, great. Look to your right side. Nice. And back to the middle. And if you make a bolrug and a holle rug and a bolrug and a holle rug there. Great, thank you. Evie, thank you for sharing your time with us today. We look forward to seeing you for your next adjustment. Thank you for also watching this video. We are Posture Fix. My name is Nick, and please like, subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you the next time.